What's up guys, Parkstar here. Today I'm going to show you all my Travis Scott shoe collection. I got some crazy stuff y'all have never seen before, some stuff you've probably seen before. Y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Straight up! Or, you know, yellow box. Everybody has these, I guess, I don't know. But I have yet to wear mine. Look at that. Details on these are crazy. I got the little tab opener thing. The little tongue thing, I have no idea why he did this, but I mean, it's kind of cool, I guess. But crazy pair. Yeah, crazy shoe though. I think he did his thing with this one. What do y'all think? Leave a comment. Tell me what you think about these ones. Alright, on to the next. First, Air Force One, out the box. My favorite. This is my grail, guys. You know, brown box vibes. God, I just love this shoe, man. He killed it. Ay, ay, ay. Look at that. Look at that. I put in the cream laces and I used them from the Travis Scott Air Forces. I love the off-white. I love like the off-white color he did with these. But yeah, insane shoe. Quality, ridiculous. Check this out. If y'all haven't seen these yet, you know, we got the little hidden pocket for nothing. And the other Cactus Jack details. It's just like it's just all about the details, you know. Especially when you're an artist, like it's just crazy. All right, next one. Crazy story about these. You probably know what these are, but you don't got these, I promise. I got these for like $3.25 when they first came out, and my dumb ass decided to tie-dye them. So let's see what they look like. Ay, ay, ay. Drop your opinion down on these. What you think, guys? I think they turned out insane. Just something about that tie-dye. Backward swoosh on the back. Crazy vibes. Velcro. Velcro swooshes on the side. Yes, sir. On to the next one. All right. So, I got the Air Force Ones. I got the Jordan ones, and another pair of the Air Force Ones. But I decided to make a Jordan one that kind of mimicked one of the Air Force Ones that he had. So y'all tell me what y'all think of these.
God damn!
The stitches sewed on there. Crazy. Crazy details. With the Texas thing on the top. Going bottom, you know, never gets dirty. I even did the tongue thing too. But yeah, if y'all are interested in purchasing any of these pairs, just DM me, Instagram, Parks Heart. Got the button on the back. Make that focus. Yes, sir. Oof. Yes, sir. Y'all tell me what you think of these. One of my best, one of my worst. Comment below. On to the next. As you can tell, I like Travis Scott a lot. Alright. Let's do this. So I picked these up. Nike Spiridon. I don't know if you've ever heard of that. It's a random ass shoe Nike made. But I decided to do a custom on them. So they were all white when I first got them. And I went crazy with it. Tell me what y'all think of these. Travis Scott details. These were right. I made these right when the 270s came out. So. Yes, sir. Crazy details on these. On to the next, I guess. Y'all let me know what you think about these. Comment your favorite at the end too, please. Last but not least, I would say it's my favorite one, honestly. My favorite custom I made. So I heard he was releasing a Jordan 3, so I was like, I gotta jump on that before he actually makes the real pair. So let me show y'all these. Oof. You got the Ostrich leather light swooshes, removable. Cactus Jack on the tongue. Speckle on the back. We like that Nike Air. that about wraps it up, guys. I mean, it was just a short video. I want to show y'all some of the stuff I've been working on. Comment below what you want to see next. I got a collection if you want to see that. I got a bunch of customizing I gotta do. Just let me know what you want to see. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe. Love you guys.
Press the button right there.